Hello, for today's video I have another Birchbox unboxing. This is the second month and the last month. For now I'm going to be doing the Birchbox because I have unsubscribed already. But I've got the December bag. It's not really a box this month. So I'm just going to unbox that, and then in another video that I'm currently in the middle of, I am trying out both boxes and the products inside them. So this is the box that come this month, and I really love the bag. Like navy and gold, or like rose gold together, it just looks really nice. And navy isn't really a colour I like, it's more of a lighter navy. So it's just a suede bag that you get, and it's really nice, and you always need a little makeup bag just like this. So I'm going to open it up, and I have my little booklet. One thing I will say about this bag. Now on my booklet it does say that I was supposed to get 2 products that didn't actually come in this box. They sent me 2 other products, and then when I emailed them about it, they did say the products I got were the products I was supposed to get. So I was just a bit confused why there was 2 other products on my leaflet. So there is 2 products in here that I don't really know a lot about, but I will Google them and see if I can find anything on them. I'm just going to go through what I got in this box, obviously. Right, the first thing I'm pulling out, this is like a little extra, I'm sure. There's something about December that calls for a little extra indulgence, so we've popped a sweet treat from Candy Kittens in every box this month. So, they're vegan, and it's Candy Kittens More Than Just a Pretty Taste, and they're wild strawberry. It's a vegan recipe, they're gluten free and they're palm oil free. I'm going to open them and see what they actually look like. Oh, they're sherbety. Oh, they're quite big. In the shape of a little cat face. Will I try one now? Yeah. So they are really nice. It doesn't tell you how much they are usually, but I do find vegan sweets can be a bit dearer than regular sweets. That was cute that they threw those in the bag though, so... Right. This. I have the Brave New Care Twinkle Twinkle Hair and Body Shimmer. So it's just this little tub. And I'll open it up. Try not to spill it. Oh, it's like a jelly. Really strong smelly mint. So it's just a really nice bronze colour, and I've never really seen a product like this before. I remember back in the day when you were younger you would have like body glitter roll on. Used to love that back in the day, but let's read about this. Okay, the Brave New Care Twinkle Twinkle Hair and Body Shimmer. And this is usually £11.50. And it says, we've always wondered what it would be like to bathe in a tub of liquid gold, and this is probably as close as we'll ever get. Formulated with castor oil to moisture and soothe, the glistening oil blends out beautifully. Add a subtle shimmer to your arms, legs, décolletage, and even your hair. It's a big night out essential. So this is one thing, as I said, I've never tried anything like this since back in the day when shimmer roll-ons were a thing. So it will be quite interesting to see how I like this. Obviously you'll see that in another video that I'll put up probably after this video, but it will be exciting to see like what it looks like. I might do a little swatch on my hand just to see what it's like. Take the tiniest bit. It's really liquidy. Oh, actually I really think I will like that. Strong smelly mint. Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it is really glittery and it doesn't go on like a big paste, so it is really subtle and it dries really quickly. That's amazing. I hate things that stick to you and don't dry in really easily. So actually for a night out I think this might come in handy. I thought actually when I looked in this bag to begin with, I thought this would be the thing that I didn't really go for, I wasn't going to use, I'd probably give it away, but I actually really like that, especially coming to Christmas. This is perfect for the December box. I probably will use this on nights out, especially on my legs, now that the tan is back in my life. I've started tanning again. I didn't tan for like nearly 2 years, and I used to be obsessed with fake tanning, but I'm back to the fake tan because I was too pale. So I'm back to the fake tan, so this I think would go really nice. And it also says, shimmer for hair and skin with mint, panthenol and hydrating sugar. The little bit at the bottom about the Brave New Care, it says, guess what, you won't find Brave New Care anywhere else in the UK. This brand is exclusive to Birchbox. Right, on to the next thing. Right, we have the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Mother of Pearl. and it has a sponge inside this. I'm not going to open it just now, but you'll see it in my other video. I'll open it and use it. I just don't want to take it out of the little packet just now. So it's the Mother of Pearl soap sponge, suitable for both face and body, which is great. This 2-in-1 soap sponge combines a radiance boosting cleanser with a gentle exfoliator, so you can skip a step in your routine. Ideal for busy winter months. Wet the sponge, lather up and then rinse off. The Mother of Pearl will gently purify and boost the skin's texture. Again, there's the little things at the bottom that tells you a little bit, and it says, that's right, this sponge will last for roughly 60 uses before you need a replacement. For such a tiny little sponge, it's crazy to think that you'll get 60 uses out of it, but I'll give it a go, see how it is. I can't really make any more comments about it until I've used it, but I've heard from a friend at work. She said she used this one, but it was the charcoal one, and she said she really loved it, so she was really excited to get this in her box again this month. So I will be trying it out, and if she says it's good, I'm probably going to assume that it's good. So I will try that out in my next video. And this Daily Concepts Mother of Pearl soap sponge is the full size, and it is £6 on its own. Next thing I have is a little eyeshadow palette. It's a really cute one, and the colours are just amazing. Last month I actually picked these colours because there was a choice of 2. Let's get the little bit off. And this palette is actually full size, so it's the Forgive Me Susie eyeshadow palette, and I swear the colours are just so nice. I picked these colours because I love really warm fall looking colours, and this palette is just it all. It's really nice. I have colours similar to this, but I just wanted to try out a new brand. For being full size though, it is really small. I just hope that the pan is deep as the packaging, so you do get a lot of product in it. Fingers crossed. But this is usually £9. So you get 5 shadows in it, which is, so for 5 shadows it's actually quite good for £9. So let's read about it and then I'll do some swatches. Okay, this sleek Birchbox exclusive eyeshadow palette hosts 5 autumnal shades ranging from a striking red brown and dusky rose to a warm copper. 100% cruelty free and vegan, the velvety soft matte, metallic and shimmer shadows leave you spoilt for choice and are perfect for party season and beyond. It says, top tip, wet your eyeshadow brush for a more intense colour payoff. Right, I'm actually going to swatch these 3. Wow, they're actually quite good. I actually really like the payoff on these, especially the metallic shades. I will definitely be getting use out of this palette. They are just so nice. So nice. I'm going to swatch the other 2 as well actually. Yeah. I really like that eyeshadow palette. They're the other 2 colours at the sides. Yeah, I will definitely be getting use out of that little palette. That gold is just amazing. Okay, the next thing I got is this little eyeshadow brush, and it's a Birchbox eyeshadow brush, so it just looks like that. And it's an angled eyeshadow brush, which I don't really use a lot, but I could make use of it somehow for concealer or something. So the bristles are really soft actually. Okay, let's read about it. Birchbox eyeshadow brush. Perfect partner to your palette. Our very own vegan and cruelty free brush can be used to add depth and definition and will blend and blur eyeshadows together seamlessly and evenly. The soft, densely packed bristles make it ideal for use with both cream and powder formulas, aka a must have, in any makeup kit. And it says, yay, this brush and your Forgive Me Susie eyeshadow palette equals a dream duo. Well, we will see about that when I try this out in my next video. So yeah, a little makeup brush, can't go wrong. Who doesn't love getting new makeup brushes? The Percy Reed London Hair Session Hold Hairspray. Okay, so the last thing I have is this Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works, and it's just a cute little spray, obviously to help you sleep. I'll read a little bit about this obviously because it's not in the leaflet. Get a great night's sleep with our best selling Deep Pillow Spray, proven to help you fall asleep faster and wake feeling more refreshed. Use it at bedtime to help reduce sleep anxiety and improve sleep quality. And our award-winning natural aromatherapeutic super blend of lavender, Vetiver and chamomile calms both mind and body, soothing you to sleep. And then why? When we sleep, our skin cells repair and harmful toxins are removed, making sleep the ultimate beauty secret and first step to your skincare routine. Okay, I did try this out last night, and because of the lavender smell I really can't use it, so I flipped my pillow over. The lavender smell really puts me off, so I think I will have to give this away because I will not use this. The lavender smell, it's just too much. So that is all the products I got in the December Birchbox. As I said, this is my last Birchbox that I'm going to be testing out. I have already subscribed to the glossy box, so I will be getting that in January, so I'll be putting that video out there in January. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one.